shrinking cube. When we're ready to solder the wires. So now we're going to solder them. So now we're ready to solder. Now I'm going to shrink the cube. So now it's all done. So we're ready to do some testing. So I have this remote and I forward and it stays forward and backward and it stays backward. And I have this part, so it's an edge bridge, it's a receiver and a step down receiver. So, but I'm not going to use this motor. I already had assembled this car. I have made a chassis, added some motors with wheels. These wheels I have glued on my 3D printer. Front wheels and this motors are spinning, and now all we have to do is put all the stuff inside and we're done. Then I have put everything on the chassis. Now we're going to, we have this two banks, there's two batteries. So now I'm going to solder these two wires over here, this connector. And so we're gonna put this connector over here and the car can drive. So actually lithium batteries are very dangerous for kids and also dangerous to solder them for kids. So I asked my mom to do it for me. So when my mom had soldered this connector, she had also soldered two connectors like this to charge my battery, and she added some hot glue over here, and the thing we have to do to finish my car is to print a holder for this little batteries. But we can actually test the car now. So that's enough.